Welcome to pneumatic.lk. Today we are going to talk about pneumatic tubings, actually the backbone of compressed air systems. From PE, PU, nylon, Teflon and silicone tubes, each material offers unique strength for different industrial applications. So let's talk about all these types of pneumatic tubings. First of all, let me ask you a question. Have you ever wondered what keeps industrial automation running smoothly? One key component is pneumatic polyethylene tube, which means PE tubes. You can see here. So PE tubes are ideal for dental as well as for manufacturing industries. And these tubes are designed flexible. These are flexible and durable. Polyethylene tubes ensure a smooth and consistent flow with compressed air. When we are talking about tubes, we have to consider about the flow temperature as well as the pressure we can send through these tubes. So the temperature is we can send through these tubes compressed air it's ranging from minus 50 Celsius to plus 60 Celsius. The maximum pressure this can handle, these tubes, PE tubes can handle is around 7 bars. But it's depending on the thickness and the application for which we are using these tubes. Now let's talk about another pneumatic tubing, PU tubes. PU, which means polyurethane tubes. These tubes offer exceptional flexibility, durability and resistance. So these tubes are not like PE tubes, which means polyethylene tubes. These tubes are superior elasticity. You can see here, these are superior elasticity, which allows them to return to their original shape even after bending. So when we are ordering tubes, we have to make sure, we have to concern about three main factors. We have to concern about the outer diameter of the tube, the inner diameter of the tube, and then the wall thickness of the tube. Wall thickness is also essential one. It differs according to their needs, according to their industrial applications. So normally the wall thickness should be at least minimum, at least it should be 1.5 thickness it should have. So PU tubes, polyurethane tubes, you can find PU tubes in different colors. Here you can see a black color, then this is transparent color, then this is blue, and not only that, you can see here there are PU tubes in different other colors as well. Then polyurethane tubings also provide pressure resistance. It can handle 10 bars, like whether you are transporting compressed air, water, or chemical, whatever, it can handle up to 10 bars. So the temperature this can handle is minus 20 Celsius to plus 80 Celsius. You can find PU tubes in industrial manufacturing, apparel industry, automation, robotics, then fuel lines, as well as in food and beverage industries. So this is mostly, you can see these PU, in most of the industries they are using PU tubes. So you can see this is just a normal, a straight one, and you can see here a spiral tubes as well. These spiral tubes are also PU tubes. These spiral tubes are used for cleaning services. In cleaning, we are using this PU spiral tube. So there are two types of PU tubes, like normal and spiral, both. Now let's talk about nylon tubes, which is known as PA tubes. These PA tubes are widely used in pneumatic systems, automotive applications, and industrial automations. Nylon tubes are less flexible. You can see it's not flexible like other two tubes. It's harder than those two. So when we are talking about PA tubes, one of the biggest advantage of PA nylon tube is it is low permeability. These tubes are high resistant. And another another plus point of this tube is chemical resistant. The temperature tolerance of these tubes are is in between minus 51 Celsius to 94 Celsius, minus 51 Celsius to 94 Celsius. Then the pressure these tubes can handle is up to 10 bars. So you can find PA nylon tubes in two different colors. One is off-white or else pale white. The other one is blue color. So most oftenly pale white or else off-white tubes are the tubes used by most of the industries. Okay, now we have covered three types of tubes: PE, PU, and PA tubes. Now let's talk about another special tube, which is high performance in tubing solutions, Teflon tube. In other terms, PTFE tubes, Teflon tubes. These tubes are known for high temperature tolerance and high durability. Teflon tubes are known for those specialities. These tubes can withstand a range from minus 260 Celsius to 270 Celsius. This tube, PTFE tubes, make them ideal for high heat applications like things. This is also handling up to 10 bars. Then when we are considering about the cost, this is high cost comparative to these four types of tubes. Finally, we are going to silicone tubes. We are going to talk about silicone tubes. Silicone tubes. These tubes are high versatile and flexible tubing solution. You can see this is flexible, and these tubes are used in medical solutions, medical industry, then food and beverages, and other industrial applications. And these tubes can withstand high temperature of around in between minus 60 Celsius to 220 Celsius. So when we are talking about silicone tubes, one of the biggest advantages of silicone tube is its biocompatibility, which means it is safe for medical industries like medical field, and it is safe for food and beverage side, food grade applications side. So if you need a safe, flexible, maintaining the tube's shape, high resistant tubing solution, you can go with silicone tubes. It's a perfect choice for your application. So today we talked about 5 types of tubes: PE tubes, PU tubes, then PA tubes, PTFE, then finally silicon. You can get an idea about all these types of tubes, and you can get an idea which is suitable for your application. Hope you got an idea. You got an idea about these types of tubes, the variations of these types of 5 types of tubes. So have a nice day, and if you have any questions, like if you have any doubts, you can comment in the comment section. Yeah, thank you.